Hey friends, have you ever met a superhero? Not the kind that flies or wears a cape, but a super special hero from the world of numbers. This hero has a secret power that makes things bigger, better, and more exciting. And guess what? You're going to meet this hero today. Are you ready? Our superhero's name is the plus sign. It looks like a little cross, and its job is to bring numbers together. When you see the plus sign, you know it's time for some addition action. Addition is just a fancy word for putting things together to find out how many you have in total. It's like having a party where all the numbers are invited. Let's try it out. Imagine you have two super cool toy cars. Vroom, vroom. Now, what if your best friend gives you one more toy car? Wow, so you have your two cars, plus the one car from your friend. How many cars do you have altogether? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 cars. See, we just used the plus sign's power. We did 2 plus 1 equals 3. That wasn't so hard, was it? Okay, let's get our fingers ready for our next adventure. Hold up 3 fingers on one hand. Got them? Great. Now, on your other hand, hold up 2 fingers. Perfect. Now, let's use our superhero plus sign to bring all these fingers together. We have 3 fingers plus 2 fingers. What's the total? Let's count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. High five. You're becoming an addition expert. This is something you can do all the time. What about snacks? If you have 4 yummy crackers and your mum gives you one more, how many do you have? You start with 4 and you add 1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 4 plus 1 equals 5 crackers. See how useful our plus sign superhero is. It helps us know exactly how many awesome things we have. Let's imagine we're drawing a picture. You draw 2 big, happy suns. Then you decide your picture needs more, so you draw 3 more happy suns. How many suns are smiling in your picture now? We have 2 suns plus 3 suns. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Your picture has 5 suns. That's a very sunny and happy drawing. So whenever you see that little cross, the plus sign, remember it's a superhero signal. It means let's put these numbers together and see how much we get. It's all about combining, joining, and finding the total. You can practice with your toys, your snacks, your fingers, or anything you can count. The more you practice with our superhero, the stronger your math powers will become. You all did an amazing job today meeting the plus sign and learning about addition. Keep looking for chances to add things together every single day. You're a math superhero in training. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun number adventures. See you next time.